Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Build Apps Low Code No Code Development Training. In last session, I taught you how to use form elements to insert data to a CAP service deployed in the cloud. In our today's session, we are going to learn how to integrate map component with SAP Build Apps. Map component allows you to traverse and look at the location, find the location on the map on Build Apps. In this episode, you will see how to fix the coordinates because map works on latitude and longitude, combiningly called as coordinates. So, before we start, kindly share, like, and subscribe this channel and share it with your friends in the WhatsApp group so they can also take benefit of this video series. If you want me to create more videos like this in series, please do share this and like this video. I also kindly share your comments in the feedback into the comment section of this video. Let's get started now and integrate the maps. So I can come back to my current application and just add a map component. So we go to marketplace and search a map component and we'll use embedded map view. Let's install this component now and integrate it with our current portfolio application. We can now click on Save and configure the map properties by going to Markers to Render. So initial map region, I will provide the initial coordinates of latitude and longitude. So let me pass in the latitude and longitude of Las Vegas. So Las Vegas coordinates 36.1716 is the latitude and 115.139 is the longitude. Fabulous. And then we can have deltas. So a delta indicates within what region. So it's not mandatory. We can just click on save. So my map will be rendered with this starting point. I would now plot on this map a marker. Let's say Anubhav location. And I can just say Anubhav trainings. And we will just pass here the latitude and longitude of Anubhav trainings. So let me pass here Morbi coordinates, our Gujarat office. So there you go. That's our Gujarat office Morbi coordinates. I will pass it there into the system. Fabulous. We are good. And then we can just give a call out title if we want to. Yes. So I can say Anubhav trainings and call out description, follow excellence with sheer passion. Done. Click on save and then we can go ahead to test our application now. So I can straight ahead go to launch the preview of our application into the system. That is how exactly we can now see a map over there. There you go. It's rendering up. Yes. And on this map, the initial location where it is going to brought us will be the Las Vegas, of course. You can see the zoom level was too high. Yeah. So you can see it's the Las Vegas. Why it's coming in Chinese, I don't know. But you can see somewhere in United States it's coming. Yeah. Whereas you can see it's putting Anubhav location Morbi with our call out pop-up, which it is showing as well. Superb. So this is how exactly we can design and develop and integrate the map component with SAP Build Apps. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again and see you in the next class. Goodbye.